Hello everyone, welcome to my second episode of my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna get some wood and I guess already got some food and I'm actually gonna fish. So today I'm gonna get some wood and start building my base. And yeah, if you remember the last episode I made in silent. So let's get started. So this episode will not be really fun. I think should be a bit. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this everything. Like everything here. If you also want to play all of these, I watch I post on the channel you play something else come this is Fortnite, don't vote for Fortnite because I really get boring and I think it's not good, you know? I'm also gonna do this, which is just I don't know. I'm gonna just the glass. I think it's like 10 to I think it's very nice. Wow, well, I think just this. I think this is I'm not doing anything to do. I'm not sure. There's no option. Alright. This will not be that big. Alright. Well, world progress, laser progress, world, explore, let's get some. So yeah, let's start off. I'm doctor. Let's first on TV. I think it should be enough. I need to go to squad and I just want to be in the shop. So, two blocks. My first, I really like to do also subscribe to these guys. Bad looks good. So I don't know if you guys. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you do. Yeah. I'll stop. Let's do that would be a no. Hopefully this will be fine. I don't know too much. I don't know. Trust me, I don't know if this should be fine. I'm just explaining this way. This is part of it. One point, today is our goal. It's so good. I like it so much. Sometimes I used to go and read sometimes. My friends are like, really good, but you get by reading the Bible. And I'm doing this because it's okay, so you see, the goal is like articles and thoughts. And that's what it's like. Okay, like it's new. I think you can just leave it because I would get some on it. I need some of it and get like things and really sort of like that. Obviously, I don't know. And yeah, but so more you release the instance. Yes. Not the truth. Well, well, the only problem, I'll probably do doing this problem. There are far more to it, but it's not problem. I just freaking out because it's really pointless to go get something. You know what I mean? Probably why I like this game. Why I like this game. Why am I playing this? Yeah. You're done. Hey guys. I want to do that. I think I will finish because I was still doing that chance. I will finish my chance overnight. This is just stuff. What? Probably not. I can write it down. I get it. Gotta be getting it out of it. I'm calling it for one. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, let's do it. Let's go there. I just spent so much time in PlayStation yeah, I could have played that so the computer subscriber was a lot. My first subscriber was actually PS Pro. It was my first subscriber ever. Subscriber in the last. I didn't remember. you should remember. Let's make some food. What? Okay, what is up with that? What is it? Okay, I'm gonna remove this. So goodbye. Goodbye. I'm going to do it so close, okay? Mama! No. Yes! Yes! That's one. What are you doing there? and